Yeah. No, you don't have to get it. Let it go. Cheating!
Okay, just enjoy it.
Oh, bye.
It's gonna get stuck in that bush, isn't it?
What if it goes past it? Then we'll have to take it. Oh!
Go in!
Come on then, let's go.
No, wait! Mummy, yours is there! Yours is there! Quick!
Oh, mine is stuck.
It's like in amongst the ground, there's the white bit.
You see the leaf coming out? Right there. Go through that. Is it coming through? There.
And it's come up, there it is. It's
Cool.
come up.
Coming here. It's made intentionally to do that. Okay, now you can grab it. It's coming to you.
Oh my god! No! Don't!
Grab
That's a
it.
stick!
It's gonna come in here, Baba.